Hello sir, I am Suman Pramanik. My roll number is 65. My project partner is Himanshu Kumar and his roll number is 22. Our project number is 10 and the topic is distributed denial of service attack detection at network layer using various network parameters in a communication network. To implement our project, we used Eclipse as IDE and Waker library, which is specially developed for various machine learning tools and algorithms. Now we follow the steps. First we load datasets. Then we remove irrelevant attribute from our datasets. Then we filter the pre-processed data. Then we create a model object and build classifier on processed data. Then we evaluate how good is the classifier, and at last we predict and compare the predicted output and the actual output. Now let's go to Eclipse IDE. Here we have created a project name DDoS test. Inside our DDoS test project, we created a DDoS test class. As I said earlier, we first load our dataset. We divide our dataset into three parts. First one is for training, second one is for testing, and the last one is for prediction. Now in main method, we first load training dataset using data source class object, which is defined in waker.core.converters.converterUtil package. We store the train dataset in trainData object of instances class using getDataset method of dataSource class. Instances is a class that stores the entire dataset and is defined in waker.core package. Let's take a look at our dataset. Here, node name from and node name to is irrelevant in our case, so we will remove this. And our target attribute is packet class, which is the last attribute. Okay. Then we create a remove class object, which is defined in waker.filters.unsupervised.attribute package. Then we use set option and input format into this remove object. Now we use filter static method of filter class, which accepts train data and remove object as input and returns filtered dataset. Now we will check the filtered data. Here is the filtered dataset. So node name from and node name to is removed from the dataset. Now we set class index. Class index takes an integer that is index of attribute to be predicted by the machine learning model. Similarly, we load test dataset and prediction dataset, and we will remove irrelevant attribute and filter the dataset. Now rest of the part will be discussed by Himanshu Kumar. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am Himanshu Kumar and my roll number is 22. I will be discuss rest of the steps. As discussed earlier, create model and build classifier with process data step comes next. Here we choose two model which are Naive and J48 model. Naive model is a probabilistic classifier based on Bayes theorem and suitable for nominal data, whereas J48 model is a tree-based model and it is also suitable for nominal data. Here we create an object NB of Naive class, which is defined in vecka.classifier.base package. Now we train our model using build classifier method of Naive class. Similarly, we create object of J48 class which is defined in vecka.classifier.trees package, and similarly we train J48 model using build classifier method. Now we create object of evaluation class and evaluate model using evaluate model method to check how good is our model. Then we print the result using toSummary method of evaluation class. It will print number of correctly classified instances, number of incorrectly classified instances, kappa statistic, mean absolute error, root mean squared error, relative absolute error, root relative squared error, and total number of instances. Similarly, we evaluate J48 model and print the same summary result. Now we predict and compare actual output with predicted output. We run a loop and take one instance at a time from predict dataset in instance object. Then we find actual class value using class value method of instance class. Then predict using classify instance method of both the model. Then we find the string value of each actual NB predicted and J48 predicted, and then print the actual NB predicted and J48 predicted. Now here is the result of NB predicted model. The number of correctly classified instance by this model is 9928, which is 97% of total instances. Number of incorrectly classified instance is 299, which is 2.9236%. Kappa statistic is 0.851. Mean absolute error is 0.0118. Root mean squared error is 0.1077. Relative absolute error is 15.4198%. Root relative squared error is 54.7724%. And the total number of instances is 10,227. And summary result of J48 model is number of correctly classified instance is 10,097, which is 98.7289%, and number of incorrectly classified instance is 130, which is 1.2711%. Kappa statistic is 0.9306, mean absolute error 0.0101, root mean squared error 0.0708, relative absolute error 13.2229%. Root relative squared error is 36.012%, and total number of instances is 10,227. Here is the actual NB predicted and J48 predicted output as follows. Let's look at some of the outputs. Let's see the first output is actually it is a normal packet. NB model predicted as it a normal packet. J48 also predicted it as a normal packet. This instance is a normal packet, and NB model predicted is it as a DDoS packet, whereas J48 model predicted it as normal packet. Similarly, some of them are predicted correctly, and some of them are not predicted correctly. So thank you.